Hello and welcome back to HSC Insights. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic that affects everyone in the workforce: the basic responsibilities of employers to ensure workplace safety. This is crucial not only for employees but for employers as well to understand and implement effectively. Let's check out the specifics laid out by the International Labour Organization, or ILO, under Article 16 of C155 and Article 10 of R164. So grab your notepad and let's get started. Employers' basic responsibilities under the International Labour Organization, C155 and R164. First off, Article 16 of C155 outlines that employers must ensure, as far as is reasonably practicable, that workplaces, machinery, equipment, and processes are safe and pose no health risks. This means regular checks and maintenance should be a routine part of your business operations. Moving on, this article also covers the management of chemical, physical, and biological substances. Employers are required to ensure these are without risk to health when proper protection measures are taken. It's all about controlling and managing risks effectively. Additionally, there's a requirement for employers to provide adequate protective clothing and equipment to prevent, as much as possible, any risk of accidents or adverse effects on health. Article 10 of R164 expands on what this might mean in practice. It identifies at least the following practices obligations to meet the objectives of Article 16 of C155. This includes providing and maintaining safe workplaces and machinery and using work methods that minimize health risks. To give necessary instructions and training taking account of the functions and capabilities of different categories of workers. Supervision plays a big role too. Adequate supervision must be provided to ensure that work practices and safety measures are properly followed. To institute organizational arrangements regarding occupational safety and health and the working environment adapted to the size of undertaking and the nature of its activities. To provide without any cost to the worker adequate personnel protective clothing and equipment which are reasonably necessary when hazards cannot be otherwise prevented or controlled. To ensure that work organization, particularly with respect to hours of work and rest breaks, does not adversely affect occupational safety and health. To take all reasonably practicable measures with a view to eliminating excessive physical and mental fatigue. To undertake studies and research or otherwise keep abreast of the scientific and technical knowledge necessary to comply with the foregoing clauses. That wraps up our overview of the basic responsibilities of employers under the ILO's guidelines. Remember, a safe workplace is more productive and fosters a positive work environment. Don't miss out on valuable insights and resources. Like and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth content. Join our WhatsApp and Telegram groups for exclusive information and reference materials to support your learning journey. The link is in the description. Thank you.